Hello everyone, welcome to my session. So today we'll talk about the why many meet professionals not ready to switching to a new job opportunities. Many reasons are there because in a mid-career profession, many people stuck in a one role, not getting enhancement, not getting growth, not getting any promotions, but still they are working in the same roles. Why? What are the reason? Even they attended for a new job roles, new interviews also. They are not ready to face an interview, and if they got offer also, sometimes they refuse to change the job. See, some of the ironic reasons we find. The main reasons will be the fear of unknown. It's been if they switch to a new job, they are they wanted to adjust to a new persons, new area, new environment. So that's the reason some of the people not ready to accept the change or not ready to change the role. And lack of job security, one more a major reasons. In this uncertainty job market, many peoples if they change the job, they may think whether the job is secured or not, whether it will be continued, or if anything uncertainty is there, they may fear of losing the job. So that is the reason some of the people will not ready to change the job. And the third one is a comfortness. Professionals who are all working in the same role for many years, 5+ years of experience in the same role, they got a comfortness in the same job roles. If they switch to a new job, new assignments, new activities, so everything will be new. If they fail, so what others will think. So there is a reason they are not ready to come out from their comfort zone. And other reason will be the fear of rejection. If they attended an interview, some of may think if it is not shortlisted, if they are not got an offer, if it is rejected, how others will think or how it is affected their activities. So that's the reason they may not ready to switch to a new job and not been attending the interview. And adaptation to the new culture and the new bosses will be another one challenging activities. So that is the reason they are not ready to switch to a new role. And for some of the people commit to a new locations, relocations, and if it is too far from their native place or from their home, they may think it is not comfortable for them to travel or relocate. And one of the another reason will be a personal attachment to a job or a company. Some people purely attached to the either their boss or the company or their job role. So in that situation, they are not willing to change the job or the places. But if we wanted to change or grow or need any promotion or career development, definitely we wanted to switch to a new job role. If we are not ready to switch to a new role, it will be stuck in the same job position and the career enhancement will not be there. One thing we need to understand, no pain, no gain. So be ready to face everything and accept the challenges and grow as exponentially. Thank you.